Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you're getting this error which is called unstable network connection in your CapCut here. To fix this problem, first you have to check if your CapCut is up to date or not. So you just need to go to Play Store and search for CapCut here and make sure you have updated your CapCut, but I'm not having the problem. I already fixed the problem without updating. So if you are facing the problem, you can update your CapCut, and if that doesn't work for you, you can use a VPN to connect the CapCut here. So you can just go to Play Store and download any VPN from here. So I prefer to use 111 or Secure VPN. So you can just download this VPN and connect your VPN and then try the CapCut and see if the error is gone or not. And if the error is still there, the last way is to just press your CapCut long press here, and then tap on App Info. Then you need to go down and press on Clear Data here, and just press on Clear All Data. Click OK, and it will just delete all the data and the cache memory from your CapCut. And then you need to go to the app permission and just allow every permission in your app here. And after doing that, you just need to go to the CapCut here, and hope this will fix the problem of your network here. So that's it guys, this is how you can easily fix the unstable network problem in your CapCut. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.